A very warm welcome to our professor and every person who is watching this video. So I am Sandeep Sharma and my section is 13. My roll number is 21EC10061. So I have made this circuit on Tinkercad, which is consisting of some of the sensors and actuators. I have also used some wires in it. So before moving further to the video, I will like to explain you some of the devices which I have used in this. So this is a piezo and it's like a buzzer. So whenever it will receive the signal, it will start buzzing. I have connected the positive terminal to the D3 of this UNO board, and I have also connected its negative terminal to the ground wire of this UNO board. And now moving to this ultrasonic distance sensor. So basically its work is to detect a particular object which will come in the range of this, and it will send this signal with this to the number 2 of this UNO board. And this UNO board or Arduino UNO board is basically used to convert the signals to the outputs. And I've also used this breadboards and some pairs of the connecting wires, and I have used these switches which will tell us the present position of the object in front of this ultrasonic distance sensor. And I have also used this resistor to be on safer side and to prevent the circuit from short circuiting. So this was a brief introduction was of my circuit, and now I will move further and I will tell you the code which I have written in this circuit. So you can see that for the initial part I have set the distance, and which is connected to the number 2, and this distance is going in the sensor. And I have kept the distance units in centimeter. So when the distance is less than 300 centimeter, the buzzer will on and it will start printing target coming on the serial monitor which is present here. And the buzzer will start buzzing. And next I have also arranged the sort of distance with different sort of lights. When the distance is between 300 to 250, then there will be a white light and it will print you are safe. And when we move further, then we can see that the yellow light is there and it will print great alert. So while the object will start coming near the sensor, it will start glowing different sort of lights and with different sort of commands. So this was a code which I have written, and I have also added some of the comments which will tell us the current situation of that object. And now I will start simulation this uh, code. So you can see, yes, when the object is yes, when the object is more than at a distance of more than 300 centimeters, nothing is happening in the circuit. But when the circuit when the object comes nearer with 300 centimeter, buzzer will start buzzing and the white light will glow. When the object will come closer and closer, after 250 centimeter, you can see a yellow light will glow. And again when it will come nearer, when 200 closer than 200 centimeter, then you can see a orange light will glow. And after that when it will come more nearer with less than 150 centimeter, you can see that blue light will glow. And after that, coming more further near the sensor, uh, between 0 centimeter to 100 centimeter, you can see that a red light will glow, which will be a sign of emergency. So this was the range which I have kept. And when the object will move away from this, so when it is nearer than 100 centimeter, red light is there. And now let's keep the object at a distance of 149, so it is less than 150 centimeters, so blue light is glowing when the object is there. So it is between 250 to 300 centimeters, so white light is glowing here. So this was the uh, range which I have decided. And we can also use this application in some sort of games as well as in naval field like submarines and navy ships. So these can be used to detect obstacles there. So this was the simulation of this code. Now I will take you to this serial monitor, and I will show you that the commands which is being printed by here. So, so you can see when the object is more than 300 centimeter, it is getting printed that you are safe. Now when the yes, now you can see that when the object is coming closer in 300 centimeter, it is printing you are safe, but the target is coming, and when the target will come between the range of 200 to 250, then it will print get alert target coming. When the object will come between 150 to 200, it will get print be ready, the target is coming. And when it is between 150 to 100 centimeter, it will print get ready to go, target coming. And when the final call is there between 0 to 100 centimeter, it will tell you to crash the target. So these are the serial commands which will print on the serial monitor. I will enlarge it. So these are the commands which is getting printed. So this was a code, and this was the program which I have written. Now I will I will move to the code which is written here, and I will copy this code and check whether the code is working properly in the Arduino IDE. So I will copy this code, and I will move to the yes, this is the IDE platform, and I have kept the name as Find and Hit Game. It would be a perfect name for this game, and I will paste this code, and now I will see that whether it is working properly. So I will verify this program. So it is compiling here. Yes, the program works correctly. It is a correct code. So this was a program which I have made. So hope you liked it. Thank you.